So I just started now, and somehow as all the shops that work with car parts, I guess, or some other mechanical stuff. And we are starting a walking tour in my first time being here in Talat Noi, in the inner city of Bangkok. Oh. That's actually a house, okay. Wow. That's super interesting. I don't know what's going on. But there's like full engines out here. Let's see. As usual, I don't do any research. I just check out where can I go. I saw like 1 or 2 pictures, but it didn't look like this. And then, you know, let's go for it. Okay, more of those. It seems like they're taking those engines apart and then they might just sell it. Let's actually go in here. Might just sell it, the single parts of it. That's what I'm guessing for now, but maybe I'll find out more. Oh wow, what a beautiful street. I hope this camera is doing a good job. Not over saturating everything. So I don't think I can change anything here. I feel like I'm in some private backyard here. Okay. Can I walk here? Let's see. Feels like I'm in someone's living room or something. Okay, let's stay on this side for now. I wonder what they're talking about. So I think Chinatown is close to here, and on my way here you could also see, okay, obviously I cannot read this. But I guess it's saying about something that's happening in this district. So yeah, Chinatown is around the corner, so walking here I noticed that besides Thai, all the shops would also have Chinese as their business signs. There's another one of those shops, I don't know if you can see that far. More engines in here. Let's hope I took an interesting route now. This is the first time that I'm here in the inner city, so I have no clue what is a good thing. Ah, that looks cool. The record store. Ooh, mango. I haven't had mango today yet, so definitely need one. Hello. That's mango.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll take one, please.
You want plastic bag?
No, just like that. It's fine. No, no. Thank you. Is that a good way to walk? I guess. See? Ooh, ice cream. Okay, so I have been only in the suburbs, so this is the first time I actually see some more tourists. Also, like, everyone seems to speak English here, I guess. This is my favorite. I need this every day. The mangoes here are just very good. Mm. Okay, that's actually not easy now to eat the mango. Can I walk here? It seems like someone's home in the back. I'm gonna take a different route. Okay, I feel like I'm in someone's home. wait, actually everyone is walking there. Let me check that out.
Yeah.
Oh, so that's a tea shop. I need coffee. That's what I need. That's cute. Actually, let me stop this part here, get a coffee, and then I'm gonna go and look for some places where it's less touristy and see. Because I like the beginning, but now it's too many tourists here.